Hey YouTubers, TJ here. I'm just going to show you how to fix a drawer on a camper, RV, or at home. Just a simple little fix. Here we go. Just a little kitchen drawer. And when they come apart like this, you know, they come apart and they open up and comes away from here. Well, I reinstalled it, but all you need to do is cut a little piece of wood, like a 1x4 or 1x3, and what I did is I screwed it on there. Make sure that you drill some pilot holes here and here. So make it real simple. It's just a little drill like that, you know, a little smaller than your screw. So you're going to drill that pilot hole and you're going to drill it, you know, as long as the screw is. And then I used a bigger drill like this, and I countersunk it a little bit because they're flathead screws and I didn't want them sticking out. So then on the side, then you can just drill a couple more holes here and put your screws in. And I'm going to do that right now. Boy, it's hard to do things one-handed. There we go. So just to finish up, this is your drawer when it's done, and we put that screw in and it snugs up nice and tight. So your drawer is all fixed up, and that should hold better than original one. Thanks. God bless you guys.